Hello, everyone. Welcome back to MS English Planet. I'm Sophia, your English teacher. Hope you are all good and fine.
And I'm Jack. Hi, everyone.
Today, we're going to learn how to speak English at the shopping mall. We'll talk about how to buy clothes, shoes, gadgets, and even how to order food at the food court.
Wow, that's a lot of shopping. I hope I don't spend all my money today.
Don't worry, Jack. You'll only spend your words, not your money. All right, everyone, let's get started. Jack, imagine we're standing right in front of a big shopping mall. What do you say when you first arrive?
Maybe let's go shopping.
Perfect. You can also say, let's check out the mall. I'm here to do some shopping. I need to buy a few things.
Got it. So if I tell my friend, I can say, hey, let's go to the mall this weekend.
Exactly. And when you enter, sometimes the guard may say, "Good morning, sir," or "Good morning, ma'am." You can reply politely, "Good morning." "Hello. How are you today?"
Simple and friendly. I like that.
Okay, now let's walk to a clothing store. What's the first thing you might say when you go inside?
Maybe, excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, that's perfect. Or you can say, "I'm looking for a t-shirt. Do you have this in a larger size?" Where can I find the men's section?
Let me try. Excuse me, where can I find jackets?
Nice pronunciation, Jack. But remember, say, "Where can I find?" not "where I can find." Word order matters.
Right. Where can I find jackets? Got it.
Good. And the shop assistant might say, "They're over there." Or, "Let me show you." Or, "This way, please."
So I follow them, look at some clothes, and then maybe ask, can I try this on?
Exactly. That means you want to wear it in the trial room to see if it fits. The assistant will reply, "Sure, the fitting room is over there." Or, "Yes, you can try it on."
And if it's too tight, I can say, it's a bit tight.
Perfect. Or, "It doesn't fit well." Do you have a bigger size? "I like the color, but it's too small."
And if I like it,
Then say, "I'll take it. I love this one. How much is it?"
the most important question, the price.
Yes, the shopkeeper might answer, "It's $25," or "It's on sale for $19.99.
And I can say, can I pay by card?
Very good. Or, "Do you accept cards?" Or, "Can I pay with cash?"
Nice. I'm ready to buy my new jacket.
At the shoe store. Now let's move to the next shop, the shoe store. What do you say when you need shoes?
Excuse me, I'm looking for running shoes.
Exactly. And the seller might ask, "What size do you wear?"
Oh, I say size 9, please.
Right. You can also ask, "Do you have this in black? Is this on discount? Can I try these on?"
I think I'll say these shoes are really comfortable.
Perfect adjective. Comfortable. And if you don't like them, you can say, "They're too expensive. They're not my style. I'll think about it."
I'll think about it. That's polite, right?
Yes, it means you're not buying now, but you're not being rude. At the electronics store. Now, let's move to the electronics store. Phones, headphones, laptops, all that fun stuff.
Oh, my favorite section. I love gadgets.
I thought so. Here you can say, "Excuse me, can I see this phone? What's the price of this laptop? Is this under warranty? Does it come with a charger?"
Warranty means guarantee, right?
Yes, good question. Warranty means the company will fix or replace it if it breaks within a certain time.
Cool. Then I'll ask, how long is the warranty?
Excellent. And when you're done, you can say, Thank you, I'm just looking. That's a polite way to say you're not buying yet. At the food court. All right, after shopping, you must be hungry. Let's go to the food court.
Finally, I was waiting for this part. I love food.
Me too. At the food court, you can say, "Excuse me, could I have a cheeseburger, please? Can I get a large soda? How much is the combo meal?"
And when I finish, I can say, that was delicious.
Perfect. Or, "That was yummy. The food was great." Also, when they hand you food, you can say, "Thank you," or "Thanks a lot." Politeness always makes your English sound better. Let's quickly review some words we learned today. Repeat after me, Jack, and everyone watching.
Mall, store, price, fitting room, discount, comfortable, warranty, cashier, receipt.
Mall, store, price, fitting room, discount, comfortable, warranty, cashier, receipt.
Excellent pronunciation.
Practice section. Now it's time for practice. Everyone watching, speak with us. Jack, repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
I'm looking for a blue shirt.
I'm looking for a blue shirt.
Can I try it on?
Can I try it on?
Very nice. Let's do conversation practice 1 as shop assistant. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a white t-shirt.
What size do you wear?
Medium, please.
Here you go. You can try it on.
Thank you. Oh, it fits perfectly. How much is it?
It's $15.
Great, I'll take it.
Great! Practice conversation 2, shoe store. Hi there, are you looking for something special?
Yes, I need new running shoes.
What size do you wear?
Size 9, please.
Try these.
They're comfortable. How much are they?
$50. They're on sale today.
Nice, I'll buy them.
Practice conversation 3, food court. Hello, what would you like to order?
I'd like a burger combo, please.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, please.
Anything to drink?
A Coke, please.
That'll be $8.
Here you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Come to the conclusion. Great job, everyone. Today, we learned lots of useful expressions for shopping. How to ask for help, try on clothes, buy things, and even order food at the mall.
Yeah, I feel ready to go shopping in English now.
Don't spend too much, Jack.
Don't worry, I'll just practice speaking, not spending.
That's the spirit. Everyone, keep practicing these dialogues until they sound natural.
And remember, pronunciation and politeness make your English sound confident.
Exactly. That's all for today's lesson.
Thanks for watching MS English Planet.
Our next lesson will be about at the doctor's clinic.
Oh no, I hope I'm not sick.
Don't worry, Jack. It's just for practice.
See you in the next class. Bye-bye.